Well, what's going on? This is yours truly, Damon Little, Temperature Pros. You know my slogan, hot or cold, called Temperature Pros. Got a customer called and said the air conditioner wasn't cooling properly. They wanted us to come out and do a little check on the system to see what's going on. So rock out with us as we find out what's going on with this unit. So you already know the first thing we did was kill the power to the unit. So we're going to see what we got. We got the new capacitor. This is the new capacitor that we're going to install. Let's change. Just like that, we got AC. You know my slogan, hot or cold, call Temperature Pros. All right, with that particular call, we noticed that we had a bad capacitor that was bad on that, I think it was the upstairs system. It's a heat pump, so we got them up and running. They're happy, we're happy. And we're on to our next call. I think this particular call is a 2 system maintenance. So